In last week's episode of Let's Just Go Travel, we arrived back in our home province of British Columbia and discovered that we had a bent axle on our trailer. And this was while we were already dealing with engine problems on the truck. So while we were getting the truck dealt with, we were also on the phone for countless hours trying to find a shop that could help repair our trailer. Things were feeling a little hopeless, but we finally found a place located near our house in Kelowna that was willing to help. So we hitched everything up and got on the road in hopes that we could get everything fixed ASAP so we can continue our journey. Hey everyone, we're Dana and Mike. We've been living life on the road with our 3 dogs searching for adventure. We are currently on the road headed up north with our end goal to see the Arctic Ocean. Join us every Sunday for new videos as we show you amazing campsites and the stunning natural beauty of North America. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right, hello everybody.
Welcome back to the trailer.
Yeah. So we set up at our campsite here at Fintry Provincial Park. This is an awesome little campsite that's out of the way, out of the city, and has this amazing lakefront view here. But yeah, welcome back to the trailer. We are actually only in the trailer for a few days because we're still waiting on the whole axle thing and getting it delivered to the shop. So after a few days of camping here, we're gonna move this to a storage facility and then just go wait out at our house instead of paying nightly here, which would add up really quickly. We're just gonna relax for the rest of the day. We still have some setting up to do, like the whole bed has to actually be made still. Maybe we'll go visit our house. We're not sure yet, but
I think we should. Maybe a little later.
All right. Later on tonight, we'll go see our house. So yeah, join us for that. We'll see you guys soon. So yeah, this is our site. The water is right here, and we even have like a little trail here so we can walk right down to the beach. So we love this lake. It's amazing.
We're making tacos because, again, we're just addicted to tacos, and honestly it's the only way we eat plenty of vegetables. So we're just gonna go and eat tacos every day from now on.
Every day?
Yeah, why not?
Oh yeah, check that out. So we got chicken, corn, red peppers, cilantro, avocado, onions and tomato, hot sauce, lime juice, cheese, everything. These kind of tacos are so good.
Okay, so kind of funny. We don't have any dish soap, so can't do any of the dishes. So they're all just sitting there. We are pretty close to our house, so we are going to quickly pop over there, grab some soap, and then wash dishes.
All right, here we are. After 1 year, let's go inside our house. Wow. Well, welcome back. I'm so happy to see this place. Everything looks so good. Nice. Yeah, guys, welcome to our little lake house here in Kelowna. As you can see, we have fantastic lake views off of our deck. It's amazing to be back here. All right, what do we got?
My car!
Ah, yes. Dana's car. We need to figure out this thing still fires up. This is all of our supplies for this being an Airbnb. We have a lot of stuff. Oh yeah, I guess the main reason we came here is because we needed soap, right? There we go. We'll just take this one. You need to buy a lot of stuff if you're running a short-term rental. Here's like all of our towels and a whole bunch of extra bedding type stuff, and here's a whole bunch of more towels and linens and things. Yeah, we go all out here. We want this place to feel awesome. Oh, and the downstairs. How's downstairs looking? Right here with our covered back deck area, so you can see the lake in the back. It's so nice to be back here. All right, time to see if after all this time, this thing still runs. We've had it up just to like a battery charger for almost a year now. So, but the fuel in it is pretty old, but hopefully it still runs. Still starts.
Should I just let it idle?
Maybe back it out. All right, you guys, so we're just here hanging out on our back patio. This is actually one of our most favorite places to hang out at our house by far, because like we got this cool little outdoor furniture set up. We got the fire pit and the view. That's our view, right? So just got a view of the lake right from here. And yeah, like we also have a upper deck where that basically has the same view, but
it's a little bit more of a view, but there's just something special about down here. I don't know why. It's like covered and you just kind of feel cozy. Yeah,
because the entire thing is sort of enclosed, and we have plans for how we want to kind of spruce up this bottom area that we want to do. We want to do this like privacy wall over on that side.
Eventually add some grass.
Yeah, and we're hoping to add some AstroTurf type of grass here, and yeah, just kind of really make this place our own. We haven't really had a lot of time to work on this house and like in terms of big projects and stuff. Been a busy few days just kind of being here, bouncing back and forth from here in the campsite, and we were actually here for longer than we thought we were going to be, so we ended up having to put the trailer in storage somewhere.
So within the last 2 weeks we've been in 3 different houses, which has been kind of a lot of back and forth.
Yeah.
A lot of unpacking and packing and just...
And then just kind of getting this place ready for the rental season, doing a big clean on it. There was so much yard work. But yeah, we're kind of just slowly chipping away at that while we wait for the axle to show up. And
yeah, while we were reading, I mean me.
Yeah, I was doing
long.
other stuff. Dana was basically doing all of the landscaping stuff by herself. So
yeah, I had a little bit of an incident, as you can probably tell.
Yeah.
I basically was obviously squatting and crouching down for hours, and I guess my body did not like that, because right at almost the tail end of when I was almost done, my knee popped out and then back in. Not fully, so I think it was just a partial, because I can walk and everything, but it was not fun. And then the last 2 days I've been doing absolutely nothing. Mike was so kind and took care of me the day after, so I think I really pushed it. Yeah, so now I'm just a little bit nervous about all of our plans. We've got so much hiking that we want to do. And like I was saying, I can walk on it, that's totally fine. But it does seem a little bit weak when I go downstairs and whatnot, so that's not really fun. Or extending it to a full extension. I almost feel like I'm gonna hyperextend it a little bit. So I'm gonna go get that checked out on Tuesday, the day that we are getting the trailer fixed. So hopefully they can kind of look at it and just make sure, that there's nothing crazy going on, and that they can give me some exercises to do while we are on the road, because we've got so many plans to hike and I do not want to miss any of them. So I'm taking it easy.
So yeah, assuming everything works out well with that, as well as the axle getting fixed, we'll be back on the road. We had a pretty crazy episode here with big problems with the truck, and then big problems with the trailer, and then coming up here and now big problems with Dana's knee. So it's been a lot of stuff's been going on for sure.
All right, everyone. We are about a couple of days away from taking off in the trailer and heading up north. So I figured I would quickly tell you exactly our route and kind of an overview of what we're doing. So after we leave Kelowna, we are going to head straight north, and we are going to go to a place called Tumbler Ridge. We have been here before, so we're just gonna check out a couple places that we haven't seen yet. And then after that, we're gonna make our way to Enterprise, Northwest Territories. There's a bunch of waterfalls there that I really, really wanna see. And we might stop at Yellowknife. After that, we're gonna make our way over to the west and head back down into British Columbia for northern BC. And as some of you might know, we love northern BC. It is stunning. We've been there 2 times already. After northern BC, we are going to head into the Yukon, which is a brand new province for us. Same with Northwest Territories. We've never been to either of those. So we're going to head up the Alaska Highway and head towards Destruction Bay and then make our way into Alaska. While we are in Alaska, we are going to just stay south a bit because that's where most of the stuff that we want to do is, and we don't actually have a ton of time in Alaska. We're only going to be there for about a month, but after Alaska, our plans are to head to the Arctic Ocean, and we are going to take the Dempster Highway all the way to Tuktoyaktuk. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, and dip our toes in the Arctic Ocean. So that's our plan, and then we just head back home. So join us for this crazy adventure because it's gonna be a wild one. It's gonna be super remote, and I can't wait to see it.
Bye, house.
Good morning, everyone. Today is finally the day that we are taking the trailer to get fixed. The axle is at the mechanic shop waiting for us to arrive. However, Mike's gonna have to do this one alone today because I have a physio appointment that he needs to drop me off to. Yeah, get my knee looked at. I'm able to walk, but it's definitely sore, and I just don't want this to happen again. So hopefully that turns out pretty well.
So yeah, definitely been an interesting couple of weeks here back at our home province. You know, just seems like there's been problems just with everything, with the truck, with the trailer, and now with Dana's body.
I'm broken.
I mean, at least with all this stuff happening, we were able to deal with it, you know, at our house and stuff like that, and have like a place to stay while we were waiting for like the parts to show up, or for Dana to be able to get an appointment with the doctor. And it's nice that all that stuff kind of lined up. But yeah, guys, join us for that. We're gonna go get all this stuff taken care of, and we'll see what happens. Props to the guy that owns this lot and let us park our trailer here for storage over the past week. We found them through like a community group here in Kelowna. So he let us store our trailer here on his big gravel lot where he's got other trailers and stuff for a really, really reasonable price. So it's really nice when we can find stuff like that instead of paying for a campsite this whole time every single night, because that would have really added up. All right, now we drop Dana off at her physio appointment, and then I'm gonna have to take the trailer to the shop it's getting fixed at. We as a team, whenever we hitch and unhitch, and it's pretty rare for either of us to ever have to do anything like that on our own. So
even though I did do it once by myself.
Oh, that's true. Yeah.
I hitched up all by myself.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna have to unhitch and park it at this shop by myself. So wish me luck.
You can do it.
Okay, see you. All right, drop Dana off at the physio. Now I'm heading off to the shop to get this axle replaced, finally. Hi, good morning. I have a 12 o'clock appointment for my trailer. It's getting its axle replaced.
Mike?
Yes.
Okay. So you have where are you?
I'm just on the side of the building, kind of in the back there.
Just go around back and you'll see a little mini bus motorhome thingy.
Okay.
Park right next to them.
Okay, sounds good. And then so just drop it off there.
Yeah.
And then I guess you guys give me a call once
Yes.
all good to go? Okay,
Yes.
awesome. Cheers. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty. Time to unhitch. Alright, all dropped off. And there's the new axle that we're putting on. Nice. Cool. Hello, puppies. Alright, let's go pick up Dana. So yeah, trailer's all dropped off. Got a peek at the new axle. It'd be nice to have a brand new one for this next leg of our journey.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
We have good news.
Really?
I have nothing pulled, so we're good.
Oh.
So everything is like, intact.
Yeah.
She basically just said that my kneecap maybe have just like went over just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then the popping was just it coming back. But yeah, she said the ligaments on like this or whatever side it was, because I think it popped this way, but whatever one it was, she said she was like pushing on it.
Yeah.
And she said that it stops. So like that's a good sign. So that means the ligaments and stuff are like,
Oh, I
they're
see.
not like broken. or
Right,
anything.
right. Yay. Okay, cool. That was a big one there.
Yeah, I was nervous. She was just like, the fact that you're like recovering in like a week, like it's definitely a good sign.
And
But-
did you tell her like you have all these like huge hikes planned and stuff?
Yeah, well, I told her my background too. I was
Yeah.
like, I'm a contortionist, and I was like, there was definitely a huge change from like
Yeah.
focusing on upper body because of like handstands and stuff,
Yeah.
and then going down to the lower. And like when I was in doing my contortion, I would like never do legs. Like I
Yeah.
hate doing leg stuff. It's a mental thing for me. Now I have to because I'm passionate about hiking. So I need to roll. She's like the massage gun. She's like, yeah, go for it.
Oh, cool.
And like, so I need to,
Okay, we'll get all that
Do
stuff
that.
once we get back to the trailer.
yeah.
Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Everything turned out okay?
Yeah, everything turned out good.
Cool. Did you notice that the old one was like worn or anything like that? Oh, okay, because I started noticing like a negative camber in it, like the wheels were starting to
How
tilt
many
down.
miles do you got on it? How many?
No, close to like 45,000.
Well,
I guess.
easy, I guess. Yeah, no, that's all.
Okay, awesome. Cheers. Well, I
Yeah,
appreciate it.
sure, man.
All good. Cheers.
And the trailer is out back. Or
Okay.
Yeah, so you can just hook it up. It's kind of outside there.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Alrighty, we are back, baby. So, we got new, shiny, brand new axle. Awesome. Here's the old one. It's all rusted out. Yeah, it has new brakes and everything in it too. Cool. Back in business. Yeah. How are we looking? I mean, looks good to me. Before I could definitely notice that it was bent over, so looks straighter to me. The difference is not huge, but I just wanted to make sure I got ahead of the problem before we rolled up north, where it'd be a lot harder to deal with this kind of stuff. So looks good.
Woohoo! The day is finally here. We are hitting the road and we are heading north. We are so excited. It's been a long 3 weeks that we've been back home. That was way longer than we anticipated.
But yeah, guys, we are finally on the road, headed up north. We're heading towards the Great Arctic Circle. We're gonna see some amazing stuff. Definitely was a scary episode here with all the problems with our truck and the trailer and Dana's knee and stuff like that.
It's like, was it over?
Yeah, we thought it might be over. We thought it might be calling it just because there was just too many things going wrong all at the same time. It's pretty discouraging, but you know what? We pushed through, we got everything fixed as best as we could, and we're back. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for tagging along as we have finally gone back on the road here. And join us as we continue our great adventure up north. We've got a few months left on this amazing trip that we're on. It's just gonna get better and more awesome. But yeah, guys, with that, thank you so much for watching. My name is Mike.
I'm Dana.
Or let's just go travel, and we'll see you up there in the north.
Woot woot!